Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the file correctly so edits behave predictably. Open the highest resolution original and immediately duplicate the background layer because working non-destructively preserves detail. Convert that duplicate to a smart object so filters remain adjustable later. Once done, set your view to 100% to see actual pixel changes. Lower or higher zoom lies about sharpness. Make sure to note existing noise or compression artifacts before you apply sharpening or denoising. That informs which tools you choose next. Next, you tackle clarity with targeted sharpening and noise reduction. Open the camera raw filter to adjust texture and clarity for mid-frequency detail. Use masking on the filter to protect flat tones. If noise is present, run reduce noise first to avoid emphasizing grain. Then apply a high pass filter at roughly 1 to 3 pixels set to overlay or soft light on a duplicated smart object for controlled edge crispness. Make sure to mask areas like skin where sharpening looks harsh, and keep filters editable for tweaks. To finish, you refine contrast and remove any artifacts so the image reads as sharp. Use levels or curves to boost midtone contrast. This increases perceived sharpness without extra grain. Perform any final local dodging or burning to draw attention to edges. Always apply your final sharpening at the intended output size, web or print, because radius and amount depend on scale. If you see halos or artifacts, reduce sharpening strength, widen the mask, or rerun denoising. That single troubleshooting step fixes most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.